Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Prachi and today I'm going to do an unboxing of Bella's Art Drills and Chills Ultimate Mystery Box from Bella Art de Nicole. Nicole and Jamie of Bella Art de Nicole have a small family owned business where they make and sell diamond painting accessories. They are one of the sponsors of the event Drills and Chills 2021 and they have created this box which contains some special things that will go with this event. They also have a YouTube channel. I will put up the links for this box and their YouTube channel in the description box below. And now about the event. Drills and Chills 2021 is a community crafting event hosted by Katie of Diamonds and Washi and Jessica of Tiny Worlds of Wonder. This event starts from 1st of September and ends on 31st of October. In this event, you will have to participate with a Halloween or autumn themed project. I will link the Facebook group and the YouTube channels of both of these hosts in the description box below so that you will find all the details and updates about this event from these sources. With that being said, let's open up the box and see what we have got. I have purchased this box on 7th of August and I received it on 16th of August. So it took about 9 days to arrive. So tell me, how is everyone doing? I hope you all are doing good. They have some stickers on the box which says happy fall you all and bag of bones, happy Halloween. So let's see what all mysteries we have in this. Let me get all the things out first and then we'll go through them one by one. Oh wow, look, this is a witch hat cover minder. It's very cute. This is a funnel, I guess, to pour your diamonds into the storage containers. This is a scoop for the drills. And this is a wax caddy, I guess, where you can store your wax in this. This is a drill straightener to straighten up your drills. Wow, this is a two-placer. So we have a small card which gives you all the details of what is in the box. This is their business card. Wow, see, these are so nice stickers of Halloween related. Wow, so we have this 4-tray drawer where you can place your trays while you do your diamond painting. These are the trays with the lid. So this is the large tray. And these are the 2 small trays. These trays have a little bit of shine on them. Wow, this is a cover minder for your trash drills. This is so pretty. So I liked all the goodies that we have got in this box. We have got the 4 tray tower, 3 trays, 1 large and 2 small trays, 1 trash drill cover minder, 1 cover minder of a witch hat, a funnel, drill straightener, 2 placer, scoop or a spoon for the drills, and a wax storage tin, and 2 stickers. Stay tuned for unboxing of my diamond painting canvas for the event Drills and Chills 2021. I'll be putting up the video soon. So that's it for today. If you have any questions, concerns, put them down in the comment section below and I will get back as soon as possible. Also, if you have enjoyed watching this video, please consider giving thumbs up. And if you have not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for joining. See you soon. Bye bye.